In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down questions in Microsoft Forms. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your existing forms are listed. Now, confirm that you're on the Start from the new Microsoft Forms welcome screen. This is where you'll begin creating your new form from scratch. On the Welcome to Microsoft Forms screen, click the Research option to get started. If a template gallery opens up, go ahead and choose Blank Form, or pick the simplest blank or basic form option that's available. If Forms happens to open a template instead of a blank form, don't worry about it. Just continue anyway because you'll still be able to edit the form title and add your drop-down question without any issues. Next, you'll want to name your form. Click the form title area at the top of the page to make it editable. Then type in the name Workshop Sign Up. After that, click the description area just below the title. In the description field, type the following sentence. Choose the workshop topic you want to attend. This gives your respondents clear guidance about what the form is for. Now it's time to add a choice question. Click the Add New button, which is usually represented by a plus icon on the form. From the list of question types that appears, select Choice. Once the choice question loads onto your form, click the question text field at the top. In that field, type the question, which workshop topic do you prefer? This will be the main prompt your respondents see. With the question in place, you can start adding the answer options. Click on Option 1 and type Excel Automation as the first choice. Then move to Option 2, click it, and type Customer Feedback for your second option. Now click Add option to create a new entry, and type Event Planning as the third choice. Click Add option again, and this time type Project Tracking for the fourth entry. Click Add option one more time, and type Reaping Dashboards as the fifth and final workshop topic on your list. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now you'll convert this standard choice question into a drop-down style. Click the three dots, also known as the More Settings for Question icon, located on the choice question itself. A small menu will pop up with additional options. From that menu, click Drop-Down. This is the key setting that transforms the regular radio button list into a compact drop-down menu. If you'd like to enhance the appearance of your form, you can add style by clicking the Add Style button located at the upper right corner of the screen. This lets you customize the visual look of your form. Now let's preview the form to see how it looks for respondents. Click the Preview button in the top right corner of the page. This opens up a live preview where you can interact with the form just like an end user would. In the preview, click the Answer field directly under the workshop question. A drop-down list will expand, showing all the options you entered earlier. From that drop-down, select Reporting Dashboards to test that the selection works correctly. You'll notice that the choice question now appears as a compact drop-down list instead of displaying all of the answer choices as radio buttons. This makes your form look cleaner and saves space, especially when you have several options to offer. Congratulations! You've successfully added a drop-down question to your Microsoft Forms form. Your workshop sign-up form is now ready to be shared with your audience, and respondents will be able to pick their preferred topic from a tidy drop-down menu instead of a long list of choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.